Neil McAvoy.
Diolch, Llywydd. I'd like a statement from the Welsh Government on the proposed closure of 2 Welsh medium schools in Pontypridd. Labour Rhondda and Taf wants to close Ysgol Pontio Nordan and Ysgol Heol y Celyn to build a bigger Welsh medium school miles away from pupils. There are children as young as 3 years of age who will be expected to travel up to 6 miles to go to school. It's extremely difficult for parents. Getting the children to the school, I'm told by some, will be an impossibility. So what we have here, despite the target of a million speakers, is a Labour council putting up barriers to working class communities accessing the Welsh language in their own communities. Schools are more than bricks and mortar. They're building blocks of communities. And what is happening here in Rhondda and Taf is an absolute disgrace. So I'd like to know what the government has to say about it.
Can I encourage you to write to the Education Minister with your concerns? Of course, it will be for the local authority to determine where it places its schools and where it invests in its schools within the local authority area, but I'm sure that you've shared your concerns with the local authority in terms of any impact it might have on access to Welsh medium education, and I would encourage you to share those concerns with the Education Minister.